ang headquarter ng Hapon. Ang mga pribilehiyo namin, yung panahon nga kung ibinigay sa amin yung mga sundalong yung kapisa namin, kami nakakababa ng bahay na hindi walang dalang sibat.
In 2008, the National Historical Institute unveiled were built using the income generated from the coconut plantations, even before the Philippines had gained independence. These houses are best viewed from the south, as they are silhouetted against the majestic Mount Banahaw, Quezon's long dormant volcano. Dolores, southeast of Manila, is perhaps Quezon Province's most mystical town, where temporal and spiritual healings are practiced. At present, more than 70 religious sects practice their beliefs and rituals in Dolores, notably at the foot and around Mount Banahaw. By many to be holy ground, that the capital is over 100 years old. And as the province continues to recover and preserve its historical structures, it also works to innovate them for the future, hoping that these landmarks will serve as a lasting reminder of the province's foundations. This is a trait carried on by all the people of Quezon Province. Undeniably, the province of Quezon is a land of constant birth and rebirth. To this day, Quezon stands proudly despite difficulties brought by natural calamities and centuries of progressive development amid unrest and peace, which eventually shaped as well as unified the province. Today, Quezon's natural charm and mysticism, colorful history and treasure trove of destinations all take a back seat to the warm, friendly, and resilient people who make the province a living, breathing gateway to the south.
Promises a chance to breathe, a coveted space to spend time with loved ones, and, inevitably, keeps its visitors longing for more.
We started with only 10 cottages. The family actually envisioned it as a place for other families, their friends, as a place of relaxation, a place where they can just place and they can enjoy the ambience, nature, the good view of the Pagbilao Bay, and of course, food.
The resort offers a range of accommodations, which makes visiting in groups, particularly with family, ideal. Guests may choose from rooms with a wide view of the bay, rooms near a pool area, or ones with a garden view.
We have 4 event areas that families can celebrate together at. So we have the bay view, we have the bay area itself, we have the pool area, and we have the garden area. If they would want to stay in after their celebration, we now have 20 rooms with 4 different accommodations. We have the room for 8, room for 6, room for 4, and the room for 2.
Silangang NAUOUN isn't limited to its comfortable rooms either. Visiting families may want to check out the resort's small zoo, which is perfect for younger children who will enjoy interacting with a variety of birds and fish. Or they may want to take a dip in the pool area, thoughtfully designed using natural stones.
So during the day, it absorbs the heat, natural heat, and then by the afternoon, it has the perfect temperature already that the kids can enjoy. We check the pH level and acidity. We maintain the cleanliness every day. So we're sure that even if babies would go to the pools, it's very safe for them.
What distinctly Filipino resort is complete without its own unique cuisine? Silangangayon will prove to pack its gastronomical punches not only with its unusual way of delivering dishes, but also with the contents of its menu, a love letter of sorts to the town it calls home.
We serve Filipino-Chinese dishes. We get all the produce from local fishermen, and then for the vegetables, we get them from local farmers, just to ensure that all our products are very fresh.
Guests may choose to enjoy their meals beneath one of the many huts overlooking the bay, which will give them an opportunity to take in the refreshing breeze. And if they decide to dine out on the pier, they'll be able to witness their food being zip-lined straight from the kitchen, which ensures the dishes arrive piping hot.
The kitchen is on the top of the hill. Then the waiters have to run down to serve the customers on the bay. So my tita thought, we need to think of our people also. Now, the people eventually like the idea, so they take a lot of photos and videos of it. Became an attraction, but originally it was actually to help out the waiters, to make their jobs easier for them.
Silangangayon offers his fair share of water activities. Aside from a number of snorkeling spots which surround Pagbilao Bay, guests may wish to reach for the horizon while enjoying a calming canoe ride. Or they may want to visit a nearby sandbar called Balubag Baboy, aptly named for its pig-like shape. Or delight in a fun or perhaps romantic afternoon stroll.
Those checked-in guests can also enjoy island hopping. We also allow them to bring food with them to islands across so they can dine there. What's good with it is here in Silangangayon, we're focused on people, the planet of course, sustainability, and the development. Not just the area, but the people of the barangay also. We're further developing the area, we're building a community here. It's more of like families serving other families, enjoying it together.
From its humble beginnings in 2003, Silangangayon has come a long way. Aside from the resort, it is looking into sustaining life in the area.
For now, we have the Eastern Bay Heights, and we have the